Alright guys, so today we will be installing the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt. So stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna go right there. You're gonna look good. I think that was a Beamer, right?
Need them rubies to bloody my teeth. Want a feature, you know it ain't free. I can't follow these niggas, ain't she? Yeah, the road up ahead is still steep. I told Gunna just watch.
Alright guys, so in the back, even though it's meant for a cord, the back too, like where the hole is, the one that they put, it doesn't line up with anything. Like it'll just go through. So just to be safe, just makes two extra holes right here. One here and one here. Just make sure it gets attached to something in the back.
Alright, so same thing for the front. You have to make a new hole at the end because it doesn't attach to anything.
When it comes to the money, man, you know I don't play. Everything that I'm on, man, you know I'm gon' slay. Everything that I'm deadlift that chase, then you know it's in my head with a bad chick named Mia. Mad black I8, new coupe out of space, zoom past my ex like Sia. Everything that I need, man, you know I'm gonna get it when they reaching out their hands, amnesia. When they reaching out their hands, amnesia. When they reaching out their hands, amnesia. Everything that I'm on, man, you know I'm gon' slay. Everything that I'm deadlift that chase, then you know it's in my head with a bad chick named Mia. Mad black I8, new coupe out of space, zoom past my ex like Sia. Everything that I need, man, you know I'm gonna get it when they reaching out their hands, amnesia. When they reaching out their hands, amnesia. When they reaching out their hands, amnesia.
So after the past few videos when we installed the HKS BOV valve and the cord, you guys been wondering how it sounds. So right now we're just gonna do a few rolling videos so you guys could hear what it sounds like. is the last time you're gonna see this car with stock fenders and stock quarter panels, because Cruise It is gonna be cut. So the next video, you're gonna see the wide body completely installed, fenders cut, properly mounted.
We're just waiting on the lip, which is taking
Yeah, it's
forever
taking mad long. The lip
to come.
goes right there, and the one from the back is taking mad long.
But once that comes, it's gonna be complete.
That's it.
I'm done with this.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Yeah, it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Even